keto lasagna is going to blow your mind. Start with 1.5 pounds of ground beef and 3 hot Italian sausages removed from the casing and fry on medium heat until browned. I like to break it up into smaller pieces. Add 1 diced onion, half a cup of basil chopped, and 1 can of tomato sauce. I used Rouse because I love it. 1 cup of chicken bouillon, and cover and let simmer for 30 minutes. Then you're going to add half a cup of Parmesan with red chili flakes and 2 tablespoons of heavy cream and continue to simmer. In a separate bowl, mix ricotta, 1 cup of Parmesan, half a cup of spinach, an egg, and salt to taste. Mix well. Place a thin layer of meat sauce on the bottom of your skillet, top with zucchini, then ricotta mixture, and repeat those layers. Then top with mozzarella and bake at 375 degrees for 40 minutes. This will blow even the non-believers' minds.